Hi, I'm Dorothy, and usually I do low-carb cooking tutorials, but today we're going to do a grilled cheese sandwich, which is not low-carb, with some tomato jam and some quince jam. But the other thing we're going to do is a little taste test. My husband believes that Velveeta is a cheese. Now, I don't agree. So we're going to make the grilled cheese sandwich with Velveeta and some refined white bread. And then we're going to try it again with fontina and a bread from the bakery, toasted sunflower honey bread. We're going to use tomato jam and quince and some ham. Now, the only other thing that you'll need is butter, and the butter needs to be at room temperature and so that it spreads easily. And I do believe that if you can get organic butter, butter and eggs are the two things that I really think you get a lot of value out of if you go organic. Not everything needs to be organic, but butter and eggs you get a lot of value there. So let's see what we've got, okay? All right, let's start with the bread and the butter. The butter needs to be at room temperature so that it spreads easily. And the bread, I've made many mistakes on this before. It needs to be mirror images because you're going to put butter side down in the skillet with all the goodies in between. The amount of butter is important too. One of my favorite YouTubers, Chef John, says the amount of butter should be slightly embarrassing. I liked that. Then we're going to turn one side over and put in the cheese, the Velveeta, I should say. I don't know if it's cheese or not, on the refined bread. On the other piece of bread, I changed my mind and I'm using gouda instead of fontina. I think gouda has a little bit stronger taste. And then the ham will go inside, and we're going to put these, see if they're mirror images, they should fit on top just like that. Oops, I forgot the tomato jam. All right, so we go back and we're going to put a little dab of tomato jam on each one, spread it out, and this is delicious, believe me. By the way, this tomato jam is so good on these sandwiches. If you can't find any in the store, you can always order from us, heathglen.com. So now let's put the bread on, turn the skillet to medium high, and put the sandwich on butter side down and let it cook slowly, about 3 to 5 minutes. Pick it up and turn it over to see if it's done to your satisfaction. I liked what I saw there, so I'm going to flip it over and give it some time on the other side. You want it to cook slow enough that the cheese melts inside, without the outside burning. Okay, that looks good to me. Let's take it out and see what we've got. Just a quick note on the skillet. This is a cast iron skillet, which takes a little time to get hot, but once it gets hot, it stays hot for a long time. All right, time to cut it open. You can cut it crosswise, you can cut it diagonally. I'm a diagonal kind of gal or person, so I'm going to cut it this way. Pick it up and look at that gooey, wonderful, even though it's Velveeta, it looks wonderful. Okay, we're gonna cook up the gouda sandwich with the grain bread. I started it, turned it over, and we're just waiting for a couple more minutes so that we can eat them both while they're hot. Take this one out. This one is gonna have to be cut crosswise since it's not really big enough for a diagonal. Now, when I hold this up to you, you'll see there's a little bit of difference. It's not as gooey, but it is more crunchy. Good thing there's something for everyone, huh? Okay, it's time for the taste test. Now, the only problem is we've got two tasters, my husband and me. Who do you think is gonna like the Velveeta the best? He already tasted it, and of course, this is the one he picked. Now, the reason being, the only reason that he could give me was that the bread in this one competed too much with it because it was too grainy, too much going on. So, my turn. So, first of all, the Velveeta one. Not bad. The thing is, you taste the jam a lot. I will say that this one, the Velveeta melts a lot better, but it also makes it more gooey. So if you like that, this is easier to hold together. So let's give this a taste. See, I like that one. I can taste the cheese more, and the crunch is so much better in a good bread than it is in this kind of softer bread. So let me know in the comments below if you've made either of these and what your preference is, okay? And till then, talk to you later.